Hello everyone, welcome to Spice Ranee Cooking Channel. I'm Jasbir here and I'm here to share all my favorite recipes with you. Today I'll be making Thosai with coconut chutney. Thosai or dosa is a rice-based pancake eaten with dal or any other curry of your choice. A must-have with thosai is coconut chutney. It is a match made in heaven for me. Let's begin with the recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check out the description box. I'm making thosai with rice flour, gram flour and semolina. A good combination to make a delicious and quick dosa. We start by adding all the flour and salt into a bowl. Mix this well. Add some water and yogurt to the flour. Gradually add more water to make a loose batter. I used approximately 1.5 cups of water. You might need a little more or less to get the same consistency. It should be a very loose batter. Cover and set aside for 30 minutes. This is to allow the flour to absorb as much liquid as possible. While the batter is resting, let's make the coconut chutney. Into the blender cup, add the green chilies. I like using green chilies because they have a unique flavor and fragrance that complements the grated coconut. Blend the chilies till fine. Add grated coconut and some water to help the process. You might have to blend in batches as it is quite a large amount of chutney. You can halve the portion if you don't need such a large amount. This is the consistency I like. You may make it smoother or thinner. Now for the fun part, it's time to cook. The coconut chutney needs to be tempered. To temper, we need to heat 3 tablespoons of oil. Add mustard seeds and cook till they start to crackle. The bruised curry leaves go in next. Once the fragrance of the curry leaves surfaces, add the grated coconut mixture and stir well. Season with salt and turn off the heat. We are not cooking the coconut chutney, we just need to warm it through. Time to cook the thosai. Check your batter. Stir to check pouring consistency of the batter. If it is too thick, add a tablespoon of water at a time to bring it to the right consistency. The secret ingredient to make this quick thosai is fruit salt. 1 teaspoon is just what we need. Stir quickly and add another tablespoon of water if needed. You can see how that changes the batter rapidly. It's thick and fluffy. Heat a non-stick pan on low heat. Brush with ghee or oil. Pour a full ladle of batter and spread it on the pan with the base. When the dosa is cooking, brush with ghee or oil and let it cook till the bottom is crispy. Check to see if it's done and crispy. Repeat the process till all the batter is used up. This batter makes approximately 9 to 10 medium-sized thosai. Ta-da! It's done! As simple as that. It's ready to eat. Serve while it is hot and crispy with coconut chutney and mixed vegetable dal. We'll link the video to our dal recipe. I just added some long beans, carrots and potatoes to the dal for added nutrients. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for more cooking videos. I'll see you next week. It's a match made in heaven for me. What happens after that? It was going fine. Okay. Thosai or dosa is a rice best.